Assalamu alaikum. I am Samia Tasnim Raisa, studying at Ahsanullah University of Science and Technology in the Department of Textile Engineering. The topic which I have selected for Textile Talent Hunt Innovation Idea is which specific area of textile and apparel industry I would like to change. So, from my point of view, I would like to work on innovating a new method for purifying the seawater. Basically, the water which is used for fabric processing is the deep well water, and we get deep well water from 500 to 800 depth from the ground surface, and that water is basically the drinkable water or mineral water, and that water is about 3% of the total water. On the other hand, we can see seawater is about 96% of the total water, which is not usable for textile processing. So, if we can invent any method to purify the seawater, which will not be that much expensive, then that will be very much easier for us to use that in the textile sector. So, yes, already there are a lot of methods present for purifying the seawater, such as distillation. In distillation, the seawater is evaporated and the salts are separated, and then the seawater is again condensed, and then we can get the fresh seawater. But for that, we need a high amount of heat. As high amount of heat is required there, the cost is also high. Waterless dyeing technology is also invented, where carbon dioxide is used instead of water. That carbon dioxide is basically the supercritical carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide is taken to a heat and pressure about 31 degrees Celsius and 73.8 bar. So in that condition, carbon dioxide works as both gas and liquid. Still, that cannot be used in all the cases because of the high initial cost, as well as carbon dioxide is not compatible to all the dyes. So water is compatible to most of the dyes, we know. So we can use seawater by purifying that. And I know ppm is very high in seawater. In fact, it's greater than 3000 ppm, and the water which we use in fabric processing is it is a soft water. We use soft water, and that is about 0 to 60 ppm. Still, if we can invent any method, like if we add any chemical which will precipitate the salts, the minerals present in the seawater, and we can filter that, and we can use that in the processing. So that should not be that much expensive. That will help us in the long run, because we know to process 1 kg of fabric, we need about 100 liters of water. So I would like to work in this sector. Thank you.